We need to secure the load right here.
The stress point on the boom is a concern. Pull left, easy on the right. Hold it steady now, hold it steady. Easy now, hold it steady. All right, bring it down slow. Looks good, set it down. You can see where the load shifted. This rust is fresh flaking from the stress. See this gouge? Copy that, it's compromised. Make sure those straps are secure before we lift. They're holding steady. All right, secure that line. Hook is set on this end. Take the tension up slow, Cap. Hold the tension, she's coming alongside. Secured to the bollard, Captain. Lowering, watch the ropes. Hold it steady. Almost there.
It's in. Secure the pin.
Little to the left, hold it there. Okay, bring it down slow.
The frame damage looks extensive here. Yeah.
Yes, especially around the radiator support. We'll need a full front end replacement.
Noted. Check the suspension mounts too.
Almost there. Watch the edge.
Okay, set it down slowly. Ready? And down.
Ready? Lift slowly.
Okay, clear on this side. Watch the hoses.
The transmission inspection reveals that all components are completely seized by rust. The drive shaft is rusted solid to the transmission. This catastrophic failure is evident in the suspension components. The ball joints are frozen solid, and the control arm bushings have completely deteriorated.
The insulation here is completely gone. We're tracing the path slowly, noting where the corrosion has breached the copper strands.
The inspection reveals total brake system failure. The pistons are frozen solid, and the lines have rusted through, rendering the vehicle unsafe. The hydraulic press applies immense pressure to the rusted bushing. Resistance builds until the component suddenly breaks free.
Zeros.
This rear section is definitely out of spec. Look at the variance here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pulling hard to the right. We'll need at least 10 tons of pressure to correct that.
These cylinder walls are completely shot. Piston rings are seized solid.
We'll need to document this extensive rusting immediately.
Hold it steady. I'm marking the holes now.
Fits well, ready to pull it off?
Yeah, let's prep it. All right, I've got the first headlight unit. I'll grab the other side.